Okay, so we've got an extra 15 minutes today. I want you guys to go to isvenice.moodlehub.com, and I'd like you to click here in the top right where it says login. I've changed it so it's a bit easier this year, so it is your first name, last name, oops, that's disappeared, first name, last name, all attached, no spaces, no capital letters. So put that in there, and your password is actually I'm going to write that on the board, okay? I'll write that on the board for you. So log in. The first thing it will ask you to do is to change your password. So the first box says current password, so type that in. The second and third boxes you have to write your new password. So it has to have at least 8 digits or characters. It has to have one uppercase, one lowercase letter. It has to have one number at least. It has to have one non-alphanumeric character. So non-alphanumeric means simply it's not a number or a letter. So something like an exclamation mark or a @ sign, chiocciola. So do that to change your password, write it down, don't lose it, you're going to need that this year. Then, for the rest of the time, I want you to go to home, once you're in, go to here where it says Pico board, and I've written out the requirements for this task. So to get a mark of 70%, your clock must automatically play the sound when the light value goes over a certain number, require only pressing the green flag button once to set the alarm. It should play the sound in full from beginning to end, so none of this brrrr that we've been hearing. So that will get you 70%. Then for extra marks, if you make the project look like an alarm clock, that would be good. Program the Pico board button to make it stop the sound. Customize the sound, so record your own sound or find something online to use. And this here is really, really difficult, but I think one or two of you can do it. For a mark of 100%, your clock should have all this that came before, plus the sound should play repeatedly, starting very softly, and then every time getting louder and louder and louder. And that's to wake someone up gently. That's the idea. So when you've done that, just click alarm clock here. This is the assignment, and as you remember from last year, if you go to add submission and then you find your file, drag it into here and click save changes. And I want both members of the group to do that separately, please. If you finished even that, then I would like you to go to the Pico board introduction quiz, and this is also going to be your homework. So click attempt quiz now, and all the answers to these questions are in the video that is on this lesson. Okay, so just type 1 or 2 sentences in each one and then click next. Okay, that's it.